Hey, this is Joe from NOS Parts Now, showing you today something I'm very excited to own and thrilled to have as a Honda motorcycle collector and literature collector. It's this dealer kit for the Honda Summer Sales happening in 1968, I believe. I'll start off first with this letter. Mr. Dealer, open this first. And hopefully you can read this. But it's presenting the dealer the summer sales happening. And it's as Honda describes it, it's a cycledelic event. They came in a big envelope to dealers. Looks like this. Inside are lots of posters and hangings for the dealership for display during the event. They also would have worn cycledelic colored ties for the salesmen. Here's one of the posters. I mean, all the colors are just really bright. It's pretty cool stuff. I'll go through all of these. I love this one. Cool Hondas inside. Low down. And some other styles of displays here. These were never used. Clean machine, mean machine. And then the Honda summer sales happening. The best poster, it's a little large for the screen, but I'll try to include a picture of it. And if you visit the Instagram, NOS Parts Now, you can see a lot of this in a little more detail in pictures, but this is just so cool. There's the tie. One of the more common things you see, which they gave out to people at the dealership, is this button. Honda, take a cycledelic trip. And the last small piece is this plate here. It's for ad mats for newspaper ads and printings that they would give. Thanks for watching.